Where the guns come from? How so many goddamn guns? Ain't nan nigga manufacturing no goddamn guns. You see what I'm saying? I ain't never heard nobody, ain't a nigga nowhere manufacturing half the niggas. And so how is they accessible? How's it, people got accessibility to get these weapons in every urban area in the United States, had these many murders and these many shootings without a blueprint for people to flood that kind of armor, artillery into the goddamn country?